Talkless is wicked.
You know that my daughter Ada was given scholarship to travel abroad. To study there.
Hey, what? It's just like it's a coincidence. You know, yesterday I came to look for you. They say you're going to the farm.
Yes.
You my Emeka. My son Emeka.
Who Emeka?
Yes. As I'm talking to you now, they say he's going to Japan.
Japan.
You know, all these technology stores. They want you to come and be based there.
Congratulations.
You know, I'm no different from you. Even my son, Uchenna, he called me yesterday. He told me that I'm coming to join him in United Kingdom.
Hey! Are you there?
Yes.
You're going there?
I'm telling you.
In 2 weeks.
And it's very soon that you leave us.
I'm telling you. Enya, what about you? You're not saying anything about your children. Your son or your daughter, they're not doing well.
Say something now. What about your children? Say something now.
Me, I have somewhere to go.
It's like we'll leave.
Is that the reason why you
I already sorted.
looking in
This one is too heavy.
Hey, we have to wait. We can't enter this rain.
At all.
It's very, very heavy.
I want to tell you that in life, everybody is useful.
Hello, Daddy.
Yeah, my son, how you doing? You know it's raining heavily here, and you know your father is about to go out. You know what to do now.
Now that why you talk small. Consider it done. Help!
Don't try believe me. Otherwise, you're going to be in hot soup. Everything is settled.
Any of our pickings are be already.
No. He's the best now. He cannot live with pride. He's a legit man right now.
Love you. Okay, drive well, oh. Well done, madam. Madam, we are going to.
Wait, let me pick up this call. Wait. Hello, babe.
Hi, babe. Where are you?
Babe, I'm just coming back from the church.
Really?
Yes. Babe, guess what?
What?
Babe, I fell under anointing. You see today's illustration, it was powerful, babe.
Wow. You know, I feel so lucky having a prayer warrior as my partner. Thank you so much. Did you pray for me?
Yes, babe, I prayed for you so that you can start making much money. Let's be enjoying life.
Thank you so much. You know what? I'm going to call you back.
Okay.
I love you.
Alright, babe. Bye. Kisses. Oga, they go. Yes, Aja, they go. I'm done.
Sorry, madam.
Okay.
Hello, bro.
Hey, bro. I am getting married though next week.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I just sent you the IV now.
Oh, okay. I'll check it now.
Alright, now.
Wow.
Oga, they go now.
Post on set.
What's happening now? They go now.
Madam, my friend is getting married.
How is that my concern?
Oh, I think you might know.
Know what?
Know them.
I ask you a question.
What would you do right now? What would you do, guys? On the screen. Like, what would you do? If I were the one, what would I do? Gosh. Like, see, let me just tell you what I would do. The girl will keep paying me money all the rest of her life. She will keep paying me. I will keep eating her money. That is what I will do. Because what she's doing to my guy is bad, and I will not keep up, fold my hands to see it happen.
Slim, this is why you see me, they hide your hand.
They go now, they go.
Very wicked man.
Jesus! Come on your hand. Come on your hand. When you don't come my land, what can I go my land? Jesus. Face front. They go. Gina, please, let's go.
You, they go. You say you get sent.
Like, who is it going to explain that guy?
Hold up.
I am shocked.
Last card. Game.
Hey, shut down.
You don't win. Take your phone. We are make transfer.
Jesus.
Make transfer and I collect my percent.
Fire will damage your nyas forever.
Which account?
They
Did they worry you or go kill you? Are you mad?
Put on for my OP.
When you open your bank account in public.
Blood of Jesus.
Myself now.
Okay.
They play.
I don't send my money. Oh, you send my percent.
Sure God, no they waste time. Dino, no they waste time. Like, I don't care how they send the money. You're going to pay me.
Six.
Therefore you're going to pay me.
Six. Hey, six.
What is why you shout like a lunatic? What's the problem?
Don't you notice anytime when you pass this place, my eyes are always on you?
So?
I love you. I love you very, very much. In a senki, your love can enter inside my zuchia.
I don't have time for this stuff you are doing.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Let me say unpunished love, Papa.
In case you don't know, now me then they call the Jadrolita baby, aka stubborn money boy, aka dollar money boy. This one na drip on drip. See, Richamili costs a Lambo.
Like I said before, I don't have time for all this drama that you are doing. He said I'm getting married next week. There's nothing I can do with me. Like you're so low.
Very good. Good. No problem. You said see your mouth they smell. See your smelling mouth. Hey go. They talk your mouth they smell. Whoa, ugly. Elbow over. Mumu. When I be refresh. Yes. Menene refresh come on. Natanda go fire all these Lagos guests.
Shut up.
I know one get girlfriend for Lagos.
Israel.
Yes,
Give me the granny pepper fast.
Chasing after women. This one is from SK song.
If I don't go make some curry for side beans, you know no granny pepper. I will take you slap. Where they walk you? Go give me granny pepper. Don't go make me cook curry for side beans. They bring granny pepper for me. Bring God have mercy upon us. Do okay for my mouth. Salt is too much. Salt too much for your mouth. Yes, they don't get this on the food. Salt is too much. But I won't kill the taste of the food. Yes, taste it, but too much. I mean, they talk to like that. Salt is too much. Shut up, your man. Man, put you go talk. If it's not too much, enough to talk to me in the proper manners. Get that one for this place, man. I won't take my MTs. Yeah, don't bring the update, come. Those of you who are into music and you want to distribute your music, you won't grow as a small artist. Even if you don't even try for yourself, you go meet up with Share Party. Share Party get influencer. We go use your sound for TikTok and everywhere go make your song trend. You dey hear? Me no go waka, you hear waka. Any information about say you want to distribute your, say that your music matter you want do and make the thing push. Follow up with Share Party, now they go distribute it for you where you dey hear. Israel, give me the man, give me the salt, give me the oil, man, put everything on. Smart test this, I not get and there I won't go.
Thank you.
I'm not the one. My friend, she's inside.
Not be you.
No, not be me.
Why did
Go inside the last room by your right. I want you to give her some sugar. You know what I'm saying? She just came from abroad and she has
money.
Okay? Another thing. I better not go there, go thief.
But I wish I can talk with that one now. Now shall I be and not be thief?
Wait, may I go wash my eye?
Babe.
Solo, what are you doing here?
I may go ask you, what do you do for here? And you come Nigeria, you don't tell me.
Shut up! Solo, I wanted to surprise you. Hey! I just came so that we go plan our marriage, we'll get married. Like, I'll take you back with me when I'm going.
Mess up,
Solo.
Mess up.
Solo, they do a shower.
Not be waiting you they think. Nah, I don't know. The shower self don't do my blood. No verse, I beg.
Solo, I spend money on you. I work in the cold. Take care of you. I buy you pants and singlets, Solo. I will send money to your mother. My world is crumbling. My life, my investment, all the hard work, everything just gone. Babe, what's going on? Remember the guy I told you about? Yes. We're into a serious relationship now. Yes. The one I said when I come to Nigeria, I was going to pay his groom price. You know, I've started the paperwork, so I was just taking him back with me. To start family now, remember? Yes, I remembered. Look at him. Nah, shower. This one. Hey, this guy now for the streets now. Babe, now for the streets. See, all the women within this area, now they say they keep cool. You see this rot? It don't rust. The way say they use sand, say they do all the women. Babe, I don't understand you. I shower where all of us they manage. You reach your turn, you want turn out to husband material. Oh now. Babe, I bet another guy may you marry. Leave her for the street for us. What do you want?
I want problems, always.
Was I not taking care of you? I send you money. I do everything for you.
Not true.
Why you dey do ashawo?
Babe, na devil walk. Your own a lie.
Always the devil walk. It always. When is it going to be human being fault? When? Always devil's walk. Where is it taking her to? Where is it taking her to? Whoa! You threw your girlfriend away and forget the bag.
Babe! What's about this?
That girl is not important to you in any way. Just get it at
Can't see this one now. Even your customer will never see since morning. Chairman.
Yes.
Welcome to Legacy Salon and Spa. We do barbing, we do pedicure, we do facials, everything. For outside, you know me now. Your hair don't grow. Climb up, move, barb you. Okay, my hair never grow. They train them. They train your hair when you made. They train money.
Jesus.
See hair don't grow like this. You know one barb. If you know barb, how I want take chop. I don't want barb. Make a know rough and do you.
That's what I do for you.
Chairman, see that guy. He be like he like the two. Oh, yeah, coordinate this one, I coordinate that one. Hello, after your leg they're very dirty, you need pedicure. Climb up, so we touch you.
Now your leg, how it take concern you?
How you look is my concern.
I bet shift, Aboki go run am for me.
I go work on your jaw. See leg where they like this, now I want you to come up from my front. Oh, God, climb up when we do you pedicure.
And if I no gree climb up?
Wait,
You want to see crazy.
if they want they see, be like say go like rough handling. Climb up.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
No hala. Boss, I don't finish oh. You don't tire? At the craze. Move, go down, go find more customers. Life is simple.
So how is your day going?
My day is just there.
Oh, fair enough, fair enough. So, have you eaten?
I can't tell anything since morning. I don't mind if you credit me or send me money to buy food.
Okay, so send your account number.
Thank you,
I'll
baby.
credit you right now.
I've been transferred from the one every touching story.
If I transfer my die.
This girl, anytime you chat her up, I'm hungry.
Begging for food. Some of them, but
and get cash back every week.
not that they are hungry. They are
English
eating,
football
but they
time
will
promo.
still want to
Now use my promo code Mario's Gram all in caps and be sure to get 300% bonus on your first deposit. Press the take part button on the offer page.
This is
English
all
football
man.
time.
Guess
then
I'm
you
money now 5
bet
and
on
6.
Premier League matches and be sure to get 15% cash back every week.
So, but you two do. Even
So the bigger your total stake,
he
the larger
acted,
your free
he
bet
acted
amount.
weirdly,
Register to
like
win big today on
even
One
went to a native doctor to check this girl if she's actually hungry. Ha!
Uncle, if you can boss my boy again. How many times I don't test make it go there go play for again?
Very good.
Ongene, that boy why they always calling you a taker. Baby, where are you going with this bag?
Are you blind? Can't you see I'm leaving?
Hey!
You don't take care of me. You don't even give me money, and you want me to still stay. For what?
Madam, who are you? Nowhere. Don't let this girl do you anyhow now. You be mad. She's my happiness. Guys, shut up. Put time to say she's your happiness. Don't worry, I go carry you go where you go. They happy. Let her go. Bros before hoes.
Ladies and gentlemen, say make money and stop keeping friends. Who get money, now get squad. Dead body. Not the dance question. Ladies and gentlemen.
This is what you use your money to do. No wonder you are called old taker till now. You must answer your son until they call you. Why did they call you taker? You have money in the lavish.
Hey! But I know them. This Crity guy's wife. He's the one that bust my ball.
You know his location, sir?
Yes.
It's okay.
Out of me and you, what go take ground? Dead body go somewhere.
May God not allow them make them kill you.
Tell you.
You got the point now.
Baba, well done.
My son, what brought you to my shrine?
Baba, na survival. I beg, I don't want to do money ritual. I just want to survive.
You want to survive?
Anyhow.
Take. Rub it all over your face.
And then?
You will survive.
Baba, I want to thank you for the update where you give me. I cash up massively.
Oh, you mean the OGD prediction channel?
Baba, they predict show games and their odds sure die. Baba, you know they even believe say, now my last card I use Boomo. They even show me say, to join self now free. Even the days where they drop, now free. Everything free.
She have been telling you say to join. Click the link in the bio or the link in the comment section to join their Telegram channel.
Now what will I do? Take your homage.
Thank you, my son. You don't rob him?
Yes, Baba, everything.
Go and survive.
Thank you, Baba. See how this guy just hold 2 phones. I wish I could get any of these phones. I thought they're very grateful. Come.
Can have it. This is for you.
For me?
Yes, for you. I get to. I say make I give you one.
Try. Thank you very much.
No, it's okay. Don't mention.
Much respect to you, sir. See how this girl just fine. I wish I figure a number. No, I don't get that courage.
Hello, excuse me.
Yes?
Hold on, please.
What's it with that?
Please, can you give me your number?
Sure.
Alright. Please call
Baba,
me.
the work. Fast and reliable.
If I text you, you reply you.
I'll reply you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mama the mama. Mama, well done.
Well done.
Who am I
Mama,
not
if
to
you won't
reply
buy fufu, but no worry, man, no embarrass myself. I no get money.
Come. Come carry fufu, come.
You're not taking
Make I
advantage
come.
of this food.
Mama. Mama, thank you.
Thank you.
One no go do me, but who am I to carry 2?
Carry fufu.
Mama, I fit carry 3.
Carry fufu.
Jesus!
Mama, thank you.
Thank you.
Jesus!
Life is simple.
Life is not simple as you think. Oh. It is because Babalawo has done it for you. Go and thank that Babalawo, because if you collect all the
How much is this hair?
Just 2 million naira.
Ha! 2 million naira. Babe, she said it's 2 million naira. Is the hair fine?
If na your money you go use buy am, it's fine. If na my own money, it's not fine.
What do you mean by if my money is fine? I don't understand. Are you not capable of this? You're capable now.
I don't understand. Let me pass you the part. You say make you come greet your friend wey be the CEO of the finishing beauty salon. Say she sells luxurious hair and she does installation. How 2 million take enter the greeting now? I beg, if you finish the greeting, come meet me outside.
But babe, it's raining now.
Woman our enemy. They no go to even no be pikin, we no go marry.
Look, I guess they love hyping, especially when they're in the midst of their friends or they're in the midst of their friends.
Fanga, please don't jump down, please. There's not to life. Don't jump.
Thomas, don't you dare come up. If you try it, I'll jump. Don't you dare make me again. No. No. I cannot take this heartbreak. No, let me end it all.
Please.
Hearts that wants to make my heart step.
Now because her boyfriend break up with her, now why she won't jump up? I don't understand all this kind of stuff.
Who are you?
Can I say something before you jump, please?
Yes.
Can we just go 1 round inside before you jump?
You must be very, very stupid. Over my dead body.
I'll wait for your dead body downstairs.
Jesus!
Better.
You can wish. You can wish. Wish that is blood body.
Come.
You can wish.
No, come and jump.
Which is there we make her no jump?
Bros.
Yes.
You don't understand, eh? Take my card. Call me if anybody won't commit suicide. You understand me? And again, make sure say you call me for only woman case.
Wait till they worry this one.
If na man,
yes.
Call the
way you can jump, the rain got me thinking.
The rain got me thinking. Like, you just want to waste that thing you don't want to give to that guy. You should have just go inside with him and
Again? You're going out with the boys again?
What do you mean by again? I'm going out with the boys again. So don't you go out with your female friends?
Wait, you went out yesterday now.
And I cannot go out with my own friends. See, listen, I am going out with the boys.
Jesus.
Which boys?
I'm going out with the boys, babes. Good night.
Which one of you boys? That's how you like to go out with boys. Don't keep this woman suspecting you now. It's very bad when you Voila.
Pew.
Oh, okay. Let us scorpions. They are vampires. They are fucking.
What's the for my ass?
Babe, now this new phone I buy from Lambateco. I want to check if they touch the work.
For inside my ass?
Babe, this phone they very reliable. And the #1 gadget store for Lagos. If you want phone, laptop, anything you want, they will deliver.
What's the cost of my ass?
I want to check if they touch the work now.
You want to come in the for my ass?
Not to they come out with the boys, so you know they have for Lagos.
Inside my ass?
Inside your yash.
The man might be innocent, like just like hanging out, but this woman is taking it to the extra mile, making sure that she never give.
Sorry, yo.
Tiago, if you not repay fire, go shave your nya.
Shave, the fire is very strong.
Babe, why are you doing like this now?
Doing like what?
Let's just do now, eh?
Do what? This is the first time I'm coming to your house now.
It doesn't mean now. Okay, let me tell you something. See, I'll take you to Slim Talker Life in Port Harcourt. My guitar experience. You will like it too. It's happening on the 10th of November.
Jesus!
At the Arena Event Center, GRA. No, what do you want to say? Ticket is 3K for regular, 10K for VIP, 500K VVIP, table for 10, 1 million. You think all the guests in this area don't know this your useless scope? How do I get away?
Okay, come, I'll buy you the stage. Sugar.
Osaka. Every time you just dey waka, dey find wahala. Chai. Osaka. Waka.
Madam, good afternoon.
My pikin, afternoon. What did they do here only you?
I live for person, I can't deliver something for now.
Too fast make you come out for here. This place no good. It's very, very dangerous. Meanwhile, I beg, come help me make I put this thing on top of my head. The thing too heavy.
Sorry, yo.
They just told that this place is dangerous.
Hell! Thank you. Oh yeah, too fast make you come out here.
God, madam, you don't see my phone, I will go for her here.
Your phone?
I will go for her here and I can help you.
Hey, I for talk.
You say what?
This one will only you just day here, nothing don't happen to you. You better follow me now where your life day with you.
This young boy may end up going mad.
They don't.
Please,
Hey, my guy, I found out.
Now that thing why they tell you for phone now, but they say you know they hear me well.
Your voice be no clear, so I won't even ball out. As I just there, I make I just wait for you.
Na network and secondly the place where I've been there. Yes, Baba, I beg no vex. I beg just deliver me now. Help me with your car. Now I carry enter somewhere. I won't pick 1 or 2.
Pick 1 or 2. This guy, which baby will go carry? Because your eye look good.
No, now me I know they do woman something. Me no now.
You.
Yes.
No lele. But man, fool no day. You know say fool a course. You understand? And I know to do on phone like that.
But I know what you say. I go fuel the car.
Go put fuel.
I go put fuel.
I don't really want to do myself. I want to go somewhere like this. Get where I want to enter. It go quick come so.
But this place where they go, no be where I go waste time. In less than 30 minutes, I don't come back.
You know, my guy, I don't know how I want to tell you, no.
Well, you know if you tell me no now, you know so I go deliver.
Oh, I'm now. She say you go come now. No, yes. Make a day they wait for you.
I swear I will come down.
No shaky.
Too much. Thank you. My man, they don't help me.
I swear.
A few moments later.
Lekemeri, yeah.
Belgium, hey. Shandy, oro.
I just pray,
He's good. We are the good.
Jesus.
Yelishi, Megasa. I almost finished. Now the last one be this. Enter front.
No, man.
Calm down.
Now the 1 or 2 when you tell me say you want to come pick with this.
Baba,
Let's have it.
I put fuel for the car.
What do you mean?
Jesus! Baba, you won't break the block?
Look at my face. Jesus.
Close the boot small now. Enter front so that if I reach, I will give you your car key.
Man, I'll get this man arrested. Like, damn. What is this going on? Casey Nation oversized girl.
What's that?
What's that? What was he saying?
I want to lick you, Selena now. My baby for my dancing now.
Escape.
I should carry like that. Oh, you like it? Eh.
Come on.
Rocky, let's go. Show your face.
Baby, don't to carry you. Eh? Jam, turkey.
Up, walk.
Let's go.
Using this medium to make him slim. Like, since you like all these things, I will use it to shine you.
Baby, run, you get why? You get why? Run.
Chairman, you dey tear down. Make the bag for my chairman.
My son, take left.
I not to hear word. I get coconut head. Hey!
See the way they are Jesus, they march revive. Like, that's their Jesus.
The blood of Jesus.
Seatbelt.
Jesus will only help you, not coming down.
Watch out for that pot.
I know.
Sorry.
You want it?
Both man they feed the wound. Sorry.
Come, somebody save your life. You still have mouth to talk. Ah, wow. You know,
talk. Hey, Jesus. Oh.
They go define by when they go unlucky. The street is not for the corny.
Who please? I won't make call. I find person for you. I don't understand why the person will pick. My phone saved 2%. I beg. Ma use your phone. I beg.
No problem, man.
Thank you.
You look for somebody for you?
Yes. Hello?
Rukky, the monitor. Before you hear me, they'll carry your phone and run away.
Hello?
This man! Rich ones and cup of tea, funny people.
Calm down now. Man, make call now. I know they like all this kind of thing. Man, make call. I don't beg you for. You don't already give me. Just relax. What are they going away?
You do one place make you
No, now calm down. Now the way you follow me, if I enter bush, you go follow me enter bush.
No, now the way you tell them make call, so now if you won't make call, you go do one place make call.
Simple. Why you make call the run with tea?
place now. Because you go to one place, make on, and when you go to the workshop and down so now, sure.
Okay, make I just stay. Make I just stay.
Stand down, you stay one place, make on.
Just they play.
Hello?
You don't know why it's going on. God have mercy upon us.
This man! Rukky, no 1 year story that touch. Before the girl will vanish, disappear, you know, see her.
Okay, you calm down now. I know they go anywhere now. Calm down. Man, I'm in a private call.
I know it's not a private corner, but you don't one place make the call now. Shops are giving for you, they use the phone, they walk up and down now. So I know whether you walk out the phone, they run.
I be like thief for your eye. I don't understand.
How call you thief now, but you don't one place make your call.
I want your phone run. How much be the phone safe?
I never sister, you want make call, you make call. If you are taking phone, you walk up and down. If you run now, I want to pursue you now.
Why they call? I don't understand.
I beg make call if you want make call.
I beg you go man make call, man no make call. I don't understand. You should even get credit for this.
If you want make call, you go make call. I'm sure whether I get credit. Now you buy credit for me before. You're ready.
Oh God, they look you see so. See, my math's not good though. I just they look you.
You know whether your math good or not good now.
I beg you for fun. You
go know your mate. Now your math not good. You suppose know your mates. Now me and you do whether your math good or not good.
It's not before clone network. Sure. I know they stand here. They talk to you.
I beg you go make call. Give me a phone. I give for five. They walk up and down. Why you know that you use the phone to run?
Carry your nonsense phone.
You mean you know what make call thief?
Nonsense.
CIP. I give for five. They walk out. They come out. The first thing I don't run.
Be like beggar.
That's why I tell the thief so. Are you the beggar? You better pass beggar.
Now you sabi leave that thing.
Say the get network problem. Say the get network problem. You wanna get credit? Say get network problem. Thief. Come where you go mind the way you behave.
Get worse than
You know where they tell you so. All these boys for this area said now they look get before they control them, they enter the area. See the kind guys one are they control.
I go break your head, dog. I go break
your head. I
go break your head, though. Not a shot from you. I go break your head.
Where you? Oh. You know say you dey crazy. I go pack you come out grind. You not get sense.
Who get this madman? Who get this madman for here?
Your papa na be madman. Now your papa na be madman. Your senior brother na be madman. Thief. See me I give for the carton. Go far away. I don't run enter bush. That's what they do.
If you follow me,
I'm robber.
I go
go outside.
You let it yours.
Come take for me, you run. They fight for where you want to run.
Come on for them.
When I go make up here week and I be thief. See me I give for the waka the enter bush. First thing I just pull up for race. And all these female things that they had to cash well.
Very hard. They will even lie on your head that you are the one that's pursuing after them.
Hello, sir. Yeah. God bless you, sir. Okay. I'm a very radical pastor with a radical grace. Yes. I brought the word of God for you because I've heard a lot about you need to accept Christ today. You get my point, so and if you do any, I'll command your teeth. I don't have Christ in Christ. Don't be about chest.
Yeah.
You get the way you behave here, I go show you I don't have Christ in Christ.
Man of God, I don't lie, I don't suffer well.
Yes, that's why I'm here to end your suffering.
But you say you
suffering. I'm a pastor, radical pastor with radical grace.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. No. Hello, sir.
My suffer don't end.
My brother, and I preach, I can't preach for you.
Hello. Will let me know, say if I feel man of God, my suffer don't end. So,
no, not me, sir. That's a wrong statement.
God, you are very merciful.
Hello, sir. Hey, blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Oh, Baba, hey, I can suffer more. Hey,
look at you, man of God.
What's going on here? What's going on here? Hello, sir. Thank you for watching. Comment and share.
Very hilarious stuff. Like, I really love what I just watched. I really love it. It's amazing, very wonderful comedy, and I know you guys enjoy it, and I know you guys laughed hard while watching this comedy compilation video. All right, guys, I think we've come to the end of this comedy compilation video. We've actually come to the end, and I would really like you guys to, like this video so that other people can also see it and watch. Liking this video makes YouTube see it worthy of sharing it. You know what I'm trying to talk about. So guys, if you actually love the video, if you actually love what you just watched, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and also share this video and comment that part that treated you the most, comment that part that made you laugh, comment whatsoever you want to comment, your opinion, everything, anything. Comment is free and it is down below this video. Just go there and do what you want to do there, so long you are not insulting anybody in the comments, you're not fighting. Just comment respectfully All right, we're going to dive into today's funny reaction, like funny scene on this comedy compilation. Like, you know, if you notice this comedy, you see that we actually, you know, add so many funny compilation on this comedy today. I think this episode is filled with back-to-back comedy compilation. You see Funny Bros is there, Sydney Tucker is there, Nasty Black is there, lot of them, they are there in this comedy. So I think most of you guys watch it to the end, in fact, because it's only Kata that is not here. I'll deal with Kata if I catch him. All right, guys, what is your favorite scene? Let's talk about Sydney Tucker on this one. Sydney Tucker actually did crazy. You know, it has been long he posted videos. It has been long he posted, and I know why he has been absent for long, because of his music project. Cade just dropped a single titled Aboki, you know, that song, and Sydney Tucker is the Oga Patapata of that record label, you know. And he's the one, you know, sponsoring this, you know, spending all his money, making sure he promote this song to wider audience. So for that reason, he will not be able to be online, you know, shooting skits. But now I think, yeah, he's a little bit less busy, and he have to, you know, do all this, produce this thing that we just watched. And he also did well, you know. He actually, you know, give us a very nice comedy. If you look at it, this comedy is a bomb. Imagine, how can somebody see food and lost his or her senses because the owner of the food asks you to feel comfortable? They hid you there so that you can't be free, so that those people chasing you won't be able to get you, but you take it as a medium to enjoy and get a robokibo immediately in that kitchen. They are lucky it is not a Nigerian woman or a Nigerian guy that, you know, hide them in that kitchen. They would have been jailed, and those people would have come and get them. Or Igbo don't have time, just chase them away. These people are hungry, and he has money to get himself, to get herself enough product. Nasty Black on this one. I just look Nasty Black like this. You won't go thief pants. You won't go thief pants, and you stole the wrong pants. You go thief Auntie Ramota pants. She will love you forever, you know. It is sweet and easy to do, but it is hard to undo. That is the case of Nasty Black. Look at everything. But why you go carry Auntie Rama to go boat cruise? You say you know love her, you do best, but you go boat cruise. Hey, this love. See, you have landed yourself in a huge problem that you can never, you know, be free of. So guys, let me see your comment in the comment box below. Which one of this and this, which one among these two comedy you love? Which one is the best? Like, which one do you love? Like, which one made you laugh? And including Funny Bros. Yes, Funny Bros, Nasty Black, Sydney Tucker comedy. Which one is your favorite? Let me see it in the comments below. Funny Bros actually joined Occult, and the thing with Occult, everybody they join, they come out, everybody they join, they buy in peace after they don't chop money. Funny Bros turn, Funny Bros no fit come out, but he want to enjoy everything. Yes, you cannot eat your cake and have it, but Funny Bros at this point in time want to eat it and have it, and it backfires. And I wonder who gave him power to vanish. Even the Baba and that short guy is even looking for him. Why would you be looking for somebody in the river? Do you think he enters inside the river? You say you are a God servant. You can't even vanish along with that Funny Bros to catch him. Oh, wow. And everything just seems, everything is just hilarious about this three comedy. And the other funny comedy, I love the other one where Mr. Six told that girl, let's nag before you buy. And it is true. You want to wait like that. You have, anyone have every right to ask you for it. They have right to ask you for it. And you have no reason to get angry, because before some minutes now, they're not going to see you again. You don't buy. So why you can't invest a person say one knock you before you waste? And you know, greed. How can you be so greedy? You are even greedy, even at the point of death. You are greedy with that stuff. All right, guys, we're not going to waste any of your time. I promise you, I'm not going to be wasting any of your time. So, guys, we're going to call it a day because I'm wrapping up right now. I'm actually like exhausted. As you can see, I'm exhausted, but I just want you guys to see this comedy as it is hot. I want you guys to feel it. I want you guys to laugh it as it is hot. All right, guys, we're going to see you guys in our next comedy compilation. Do not touch the dial. always stick around Crity Reacts because we're going to be giving you the best comedy compilation you ever wanted to see. All right, guys, have a wonderful time. Goodbye.